The process of creating a brand identity from scratch. Creating a brand identity from scratch is a process that requires careful consideration and planning. A brand identity is more than just a logo and color scheme, it encompasses the values, personality, why, and overall image of a company. Developing a brand identity that effectively communicates these elements to customers can be the difference between success and failure for a business. Here are some steps to take when creating a brand identity from scratch. 1. Define your target audience. The first step in creating a brand identity is to identify your target audience. Who are the people that you want to reach? What are their needs and wants? Understanding your target audience helps you create a brand identity that resonates with them. You want your brand identity to connect with your audience on a deeper level and evoke an emotional response. To achieve this, you need to have a clear understanding of who your audience is, what they care about, and how they perceive your industry. 2. Conduct market research. Once you have defined your target audience, you need to conduct market research to better understand your industry and competition. Research can help you to identify gaps in the market, opportunities for growth, and potential challenges. You'll need to analyze the competition's brand identities, their strengths and weaknesses, and what makes them stand out. This information will help you create a unique brand identity that distinguishes you from the competition. 3. Develop a brand vision and mission. Your brand vision and mission statements are the foundation of your brand identity. The vision statement defines where you see your company in the future. The mission statement outlines your company's purpose and what it aims to achieve. These statements should align with your target audience's needs, represent your company's values, and reflect the uniqueness of your brand. Use these statements to guide your brand identity development process. 4. Develop brand messaging. Brand messaging is the language you use to communicate your brand identity to your target audience. It includes the tone and voice you use in your marketing materials, your product descriptions, and your website copy. Your messaging should be clear, concise, and consistent across all marketing channels. It should also resonate with your target audience and align with your brand vision and mission. 5. Create a logo and visual identity. Your logo and visual identity are the most recognizable parts of your brand identity. Your logo should be simple, memorable, and relevant to your industry. The colors and typography you choose should be consistent with your brand messaging and reflect your brand's personality and values. Once you have a logo, you can develop a visual identity that includes secondary graphics, patterns, and illustrations that can be used across all marketing materials. 6. Develop a brand style guide. A brand style guide is a document that outlines the guidelines for using your brand identity consistently across all marketing materials. It includes information about your logo usage, typography, colors, and other design elements. A style guide ensures consistency in your brand's visual identity and creates a cohesive look and feel across all marketing channels. It should be shared with all internal and external teams to ensure everyone is using your brand identity correctly. 7. Implement and test your brand identity. Implementing your brand identity is the final step in creating a brand identity from scratch. It includes launching your new website, creating marketing materials, and integrating your brand identity Into your company culture. It's important to test your brand identity to ensure it's resonating with your target audience. You can do this by gathering feedback from customers, monitoring social med. Yeah, engagement.